Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Little Bay Primary from Westmoreland up against Mayfield Primary from St. Elizabeth. I'm your host TK Dawkins and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Mayfield Primary won and decided to send in Little Bay Primary first. So we'll begin with Little Bay Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds in which to answer and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's have that time on the clock as we begin with Little Bay Primary in Bible knowledge. Jesus healed a man named Bartimaeus from which condition?
Blindness.
That is correct. Mayfield Bible knowledge. Which man's 12-year-old daughter was resurrected by Jesus?
Lazarus.
That's incorrect. It's a Jairus. Little Bay science. What name is given to food that has a lot of salt, sugar, fats and oil and little nutrients?
Carbohydrate? No. A staple. Fat foods? Fats and oils?
That's incorrect. It's junk food. Mayfield science. How many food groups are there in the Caribbean food group?
Six.
That's right. Little Bay Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bad luck was?
Bad luck was? Dan deadlock?
That's incorrect. Dan obia. Mayfield Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. If you can't catch Quaco,
Catch him short.
Judge, you catch him short. That is correct. Little Bay Primary, English language. Spell apology.
Apology. Apology.
That's incorrect. It's apology. Apology. Mayfield Primary English language. Spell bouquet.
Bouquet.
That's incorrect. It's Bouquet. Little Bay Television. Beast Boy, Robin, and Starfire are characters from which cartoon?
Teen Titans.
That's right. Mayfield Television. Dash, Elastigirl, and Syndrome are characters from which cartoon series?
The Incredibles.
That's correct. Little Bay, general knowledge. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
That's right. Mayfield, general knowledge. Which bird is known as the bird of peace?
Dove.
That's right. Little Bay social studies. Athens is the capital of which European country? Greece. That's correct. Mayfield, social studies. Stockholm is the capital of which European country?
Sweden.
That's right. Little Bay music. Which female international artiste recorded the single Rolling in the Deep?
Adele.
That's right. Mayfield music. Which female international artiste recorded the single The Edge of Glory?
Lady Gaga.
That's correct. Little Bay mathematics. What's the sum of 18.8 and 26.7?
45.5.
That is correct. Mayfield mathematics. What's the sum of 26.9 and 38.7?
65.6.
That's correct. Little Bay sports. Which English Premier League football team plays home matches at the King Power Stadium?
King Power Stadium. Manchester United.
That's incorrect. It's Leicester City. Mayfield sports. Which English Premier League football team plays home matches at Goodison Park?
Manchester United.
That's incorrect. It's Everton. Jamaican affairs for you, Little Bay. In the local financial sector, what does JMMB stand for?
Jamaica Money Market Building.
Jamaica Money Market Building.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaica Money Market Brokers. Mayfield Jamaican Affairs in the local financial sector. What does the abbreviation VMBS stand for?
Victoria Mobile Service.
Victoria Mobile Service.
That's incorrect. It's the Victoria Mutual Building Society. And that's the end of section 1. The scores so far are Little Bay Primary on 6 and Mayfield Primary right ahead on 7. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.